What is programmable logic control? Programmable logic control is a way to control machines in a logical and sequential manner. If a machine is operated as you planned, you are controlling the machine. The person below opens the loading bay door to allow a car to pass through. Try to use the PLC for opening and closing the loading bay door, which was manually operated on the previous screen. The PLC gives the open-close command to the door based on its sensor data. This is the basic mechanism of an automatic door, which opens and closes when detecting a car.